So I only had 20 PSI in this front tire. I was going to top it off, and either the junction on this little pump or the valve stem drained the entire tire. So here we are stuck, and one pump. Come on, baby. Come on. I'm trying to get enough pressure, and it's not good because I won't be able to drive out without being able to pump it up. I think the pump is working. I think. So typical. Turn the bike on and look at the PSI and see if it's
I can see it climbing right now.
Yeah, I can't. I don't buy it at all. It reads 0 in the front?
Yeah, but it doesn't update all the time.
I'll need 20 PSI to ride out. Without damaging it. See, it's not going anywhere, dude. If you turn off. It's probably back here at this pump end. Right here. Cheesy pump. God, it sounds like it's here though. No, it's in the pump. So let's do this. We're gonna crack the pump open. And we're gonna do some infield operation on this thing. Why can't they make quality stuff, man? It's just the typical shit you run into. Just garbage. This thing has hardly seen any use either. Suck. Well, I'm hoping that if I pry this off here, there's my toolkit coming in handy. If I pry this off, maybe this is not sealed. Something simple like that. And Doodle did not bring his pump. I always tell him to have 2 pumps. This is show me on the camera because this is important. You ever hear the phrase, 1 is none, 2 is what? Doodle doesn't know it. 1. 1 is none, 2 is 1. You're seeing this in action right here. So you gotta have 2 of everything that's super important because of failures, Murphy's Law. And you're seeing it right here. See, I don't want to destroy the little tiny compressor. I just want to be able to get to that hose.
There was a screw next to that, wasn't there?
Well, I'm just seeing, maybe this slipped off. This is what I'm hoping, and then I can just put it back on.
Well, at the very least, we can clamp both ends of it.
I can zip tie this for a better seal, like this right here. That looks like it's on though. That's what I was doing earlier, seeing if I could. God, I'm glad I put these pliers in the kit. I don't know if they're gonna save me here though.
Part of the truly awesome KTM parts kit.
I wasn't running them before, but I can do other things that other pliers can't.
Oh, they're awesome.
Okay. So that seems on there. That is not coming off. Might be something back here. Oh my gosh, the crap you see. You gotta laugh about it, man. Everybody who's adventure biked knows exactly how it goes. Where is that coming out, man? shitty pump. Good job, slime. Let's see. Look at this crappy thing. I'm not so sure this is it though. God, look at the low quality on this. What a bunch of shit. How in the world is that even supposed to seal, dude? So let's do this. You're gonna see the Nutnfancy Moto toolkit in action. Hopefully we can get this going. Steel, I haven't used this. I thought I had some JB Weld too. JB was what I really want. I can try this. Oh, I see how they did it. So this is basically a JB Weld putty. So it's got two parts to it. So you mix it, uniform color. We can experiment. We got nothing to lose. I don't like this. This is just too thick.
I bet you could,
I'm gonna try.
That mates right up into it.
Dude. Okay, make sure I got no steel stuff in there. If you have those, that will be excellent.
I know I had something.
Oh, cool, dude.
I don't think it gets us all the way there, but
Let's try it.
216s.
For 0 PSI.
I think each one's good for like 10 or something.
Let's do it. All I need is 20 to get out of here. 20 would be fine. Guys will say, y'all, you need is 13. Keep in mind, I've bent a rim already. Here.
2.
Not on this bike, though.
You did
on this bike.
I thought you did this one. Didn't you
Oh, yeah.
send it out?
That rim I sent to Woody's wheels to get straightened. It was already bent.
Yeah, and you got the
To hell.
V-Strom one once upon
I
a
bend
time.
rims, dude. So
Yeah.
guys who say, oh, yeah, run low PSI. Sorry, you don't know what you're talking
You're
about, dude.
gambling with a lot of
You're
money.
talking
when you say that.
$1,000.
Yeah.
$1,000. It should seal as you puncture.
At least they anodized it for you.
Yeah, I'm just gonna top the tires off. It'll be fine. Nice. Daddy like. Well done, Doodle. I think you just saved the freaking day. Let me see what it says on TCS. Dude, when I bought these CO2 cartridges, I was like, yeah, that's cheap insurance. I think I'll just get some.
We'd used them a bunch mountain biking.
Got them at Rocky Mountain ATV.
They're awesome.
Tusk brand. I guess we know what we're carrying from now on.
These are pretty good quality too.
That's weird. This one's foam covered, man. Yeah, the quality's good.
Yeah, I think it's a handle so you can grab it and you're supposed to transfer it to the other one.
Yeah.
For your soft,
But people don't
delicate
know that
ends.
we have that. This is the coolest motorcycle tool
that one's
ever.
Awesome.
It's perfect. It's not too heavy. It's just super versatile. Oh, dude, good job. I'm so glad you had these. That's going to get us out, dude.
Yeah.
That'll get us out.
Watch, it'll be like 20 or something.
You get
If
the gold star. Doodle.
See, turn.
It may not register until you
usually
start
doesn't.
moving forward, though.
Yeah. Give it like 3. Mine was doing it though, because I aired mine down. And
Total garbage, this thing.
back it up.
Golly. Let's see what we're hoping to test over here. Quick look.
Front is 23 psi.
Cool. Right back where we were.
Awesome. Homeostasis.
Dude, I am so stoked you had that.
Yeah.
You saved the freaking day. You are completely vindicated.
I wish I would have brought my big pump, man.
Well, 2 is 1, 1 is none. You see the concept in action. God, that saved us a lot of time. Nutnfancy project, breaking down and fixing on the trail. KTM 1190s, pair of them actually. Working hard in the project. They are workhorse gear bikes. See ya.
Well, that is totally